Installment loan hacks. One of the ways that you can increase your credit score is add an installment loan to your credit. So if you paid cash for your car, or maybe you paid it off early, I recommend that you go down, if you have a thin credit file and you're not in the high 700s or low 800s, go to your local bank or credit union, ask them to give you a 50% loan, so 50% of what your car is worth, and ask them to just give you a loan on it. Say, look, I'm trying to rebuild my credit, add to my credit report. If I give you the title to my car that's worth X, will you give me a loan worth X? So basically 50% of what that car's worth. And I want that loan for 5 years. And what you do is, let's say the car's worth $20,000, you get a loan for $10,000. The loan amount doesn't really matter. They'll loan you $20,000 on a $20,000 card, then do it. But generally speaking, it's about 50% if you have credit issues. So you give them the title to the car. They give you $20,000 or $10,000 in cash on the $20,000 card. You make your first payment. The following month, you pay it down to $100. And then you make the small payment, $2, $3 a month for the next 5 years. Yes, you'll pay a little bit of interest. You will pay less than $20 of interest over that 5-year term. But I guarantee you, you're going to have a much higher credit score at the end by doing that than if you didn't do it. And a higher credit score is more valuable than $20. Guarantee you that. There are many people that would give me 20 grand if I could hit a switch to get an 800 credit score. And if you just pay a little bit of interest to the bank for reporting it, because it costs them money. They're not making any money on this loan. They got to report it to the credit bureaus. They got to pay for it. So just figure that little bit of interest that you're paying, that $15, $20 over 5 years on $100, that's the cost of having good credit. Now, what's the worst case scenario? You got to carry full coverage insurance. Okay. You should have full coverage anyway. And the second thing, you can't brag to your friends and say you're debt free, because you're not debt free because you owe $100 on a car loan. Who cares, right? It doesn't matter. Yes, you're not debt free, but you might as well be debt free. I mean, you got $100 in your pocket. You can pay off the loan anytime you want, and you should have full coverage. So that is how you do the installment loan hack. Now, I have an entire section inside of Fortress University under the 7 days to 740 credit course that goes over exactly the strategy, what to say to the bank, how to set it up, why you don't have the monthly payment due every month. And the most important thing is what not to say to the bank, because if you say the wrong thing to the bank, it doesn't work. It just makes things worse.